All right, guys, welcome back to Living in Evansville, Indiana, or welcome to the channel. I'm here with John Kissel today. He is a local realtor as well with our brokerage, and he is the expert on remodeling and investing and anything like that. He says he's not. He is. He's built homes. He's remodeled homes. He's got plenty of rentals. He manages property, so that's his area of expertise. Where are we at today?
We are at Dan Woods' remodel, which is the biggest remodel I've ever seen in my life.
And it's freaking sweet. So we're going to give you a little behind the scenes of what a remodel looks like. Might not dive into the details of a remodel a ton, but just give you a glimpse of what it looks like. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, the like button, the bell, so you don't miss any of these great videos. We come out with them every single week. And we are licensed realtors, so if you have any questions, if you're moving to our area or anywhere across the country, reach out to us so we can get the ball rolling for you. 812-315-3850. Let's dive right in. See ya. So it doesn't always call for it, but on a house like this original woodwork, if you can keep it, it's absolutely fantastic to keep it. Don't you think so, John?
Yeah, absolutely. Especially this staircase.
Yes.
I mean, that is unheard of today.
Yeah, and it's different if it's a cheap remodel or something like that, but this house he's living in, he's trying to keep the history of it. So if it's a historical home and you can keep that character, might be more expensive, especially if you have to refinish or refurbish. Same with these beautiful hardwood floors. But the character and a lot of times the value you're going to add back into the house by keeping those historical details is going to be absolutely huge. So here he's done, you can see new windows, new roof, refinishing hardwoods, insulation, all new plumbing, all new HVAC. I mean, everything in this house is going to be brand new except for some of these physical components that we're keeping to make sure that it looks really historical, but nice as well. So I mean, you've even got all these beautiful fireplaces. So find the balance between cost effectiveness for you, but also kind of keeping some of that history in it, especially if it's an old home like this. It's gonna make a huge difference. Okay, John, what's the biggest issue people run into on remodels?
Budget.
Budget.
And being overly optimistic about how low they're going to come in on budget and then blowing it out of the water.
See where kind of the grass gets a little bit different?
Yeah.
So that goes, it's like a real wide, and then it goes across the lake all the way to Woodbridge.
That's beautiful.
2.6.
All right, here's the owner of this freaking awesome house. Now, is this your first major remodel?
Oh yeah, I've never done anything else.
Okay, so how's it been?
I've been fortunate that I haven't ran anything major.
Okay.
But it's been 5 months. That's just, you don't realize every decision you have to make. And it's an awesome like you have to be able to take it's just living in chaos.
Yeah, and I'd say it's tougher than building a new home because you're not just picking out things, you're having to work with the current floor plan.
And we've tried to keep because we love the house.
Yeah.
So we didn't want to get rid of the original wood and
Yep.
like the beams above it. So it's like, what do you spend money on? What don't you? Because you can't do everything.
So at this stage, you still got a while to go. Would you say it's worth it? Would you do it again?
This property 100 times over, yes.
Okay.
And I think if you find the house in the area you like, to me the area is just as important. But the house is a gem.
Yeah. The house is great. So, and John and I have gone through our remodels, and if you ask us on different days, Sometimes we do them again, sometimes we wouldn't. So.
You're right. You caught me on a good day because there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
But when it sits here for 2 weeks or a week
Yep.
and like nothing's getting done, that's the hardest part of what I absolutely hate it, because you're just like, you're relying on so many people.
Yeah.
And there's so many things out of your control. But yes.
Well, it's an awesome gym. All right, guys, hope you loved this video on remodels. That's a very basic run through of kind of what to expect, some of the thoughts to have about it. If you're looking down that road, reach out to us. We'd love to help. 812-315-3850. Check us out next time. We will see you around. Catch you later.